Hi, Mrs. Product Reviews here, and I'm going to be doing a review on the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide-On Eye Pencil. It's waterproof, long-lasting. It's in the color called Empire. Now, this coronavirus quarantine has got me kind of going stir-crazy, and I go days without putting makeup on, and it has been really depressing. So I've kind of doubled down, had a shopping day the other day, and bought a bunch of Urban Decay pencils and things, and this was a classic for me. It's what I use in place of black. I no longer wear black around my eyes. It's too harsh. I'm over 40, and so this is a nice substitute. Plus I have green eyes, and so this ends up being dramatic as well as creating a counterpoint. People don't realize that I'm not wearing black, and it definitely highlights my green eyes and makes them look greener. So this is what it looks like going on. See? Isn't that interesting? It's softer than a black, but it's not a brown. It still has the depth that the cool colors create. And which is why it's my favorite, and I'm frequently replacing it because I live in this as a replacement to the black of my youth. So anyway, what I've noticed is it does, in fact, it's still blendable if you blend it right away. And you can go back and reinforce the color. And as you can see, this is really what all of us people who use makeup, we end up using our own faces as this canvas to create and express. And so we learn to use the features and behaviors of the various makeup products that we're using. And this is one of the nice things about this, is it's blendable. I've also noticed that it stays on pretty well. Again, I am not going to say that it's 100% where I place it is where it's at the end of the day, even though this is my favorite color and I keep coming back to it. I also noticed that I have to actually put a primer on underneath, and I'll get to that in another review. And that, when I put the primer on, this color stays in place exactly where I leave it all day. But I have been very, very happy with this. And again, it's my substitute for black because it creates that strong contrast, that emphasis, but without being harsh. So anybody over the age of 40 really needs to start modifying. And this is a great modification for black. And if you happen to have brown eyes or green eyes or hazel eyes, or even blue eyes, the purples and the plum ranges are amazing in the effect that they can create on your eyes. So if you have found this review of the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide-On Eye Pencil, waterproof and long-lasting in Empire, please like, comment, and subscribe. And for more information, you can click on the video description below. Thank you, guys. And this is Mrs. Product Reviews, out.